Hey guys, what's up? Before starting the video, I just want to show you something. These are the sales, this one, and this one as well, and you can also get the sales. Keep watching the video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show the reviewing shop. I'm going to tell you guys which shops are the best and how you can make the shops more relatable or more best. So guys, let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Wish, and I've been print on demand business more than a year, and I'm here making print on demand content just for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. So guys, keep supporting me and watch this video till end, and like, comment, subscribe is also important. So guys, let's get on my PC. So we have our first shop, and it is Mendenkey shop or something like this one, and he's from Delhi, India. Alright, and he has 135 designs. Okay, alright, and he has also collection as well and sticker packs, yeah, cricket, and this one is also a good one. And overall his shop is looking good, as he's having a lot of sticker packs, masks as well, and this is also the mask and other pillow and shirts as well. And I think his shop is a good one for me, and he's also having the markup of 100 designs, which I all usually say to you other guys. And he has 176 followers, 232 following, and 10417 favorited. This means he's definitely getting sales. And let's watch his one of the product. We will look towards his tags as well. And guys, here it is. And this guy is, I think this guy has enabled all the products, as we are having on 91 products, and I think Redbubble has 91 products. And if we watch towards tag section, Australia sport team, cricket pad, funny, and all this stuff. Alright, good tagging. And overall his shop is a good one, and he also raised the markup price of the stickers as well. And overall your shop is very good, and I just want to say, add more designs. 135 designs are not enough, as you want more sales from it. So make more designs and target the trends, and also make collections like this. This is very useful and looking very cool, and I really like his shop and all the designs as well. So I'm just going to give him 8 out of 10, and I will definitely going to give him the full, but he is not having more designs. I do upload almost more than 200 designs, and when you reach the 200 mark, set the target for 300. And I think you got my point. The next shop we are having is RTmixe, and he's having 25 designs and has 2 collections, and he's having shirts as a front image, and he also made sticker pack here. And here's one problem guys, you can see here. Let me show you here. Basically this boy matched all the stickers, and I also told guys, whenever you make sticker packs, make enough spacing. And you can see here all the stickers are co-joined, and it's looking like a one sticker pack, and the customer will not like it and definitely not going to buy. But good for you, but for the next time guys, make sure to make some spacing, that all the stickers look different, not a one co-joined sticker. And if we look towards his products, he has enabled this design on 86 products, and I think 91 is the most one. So hey dude, enable all the products, as you never know which is going to make you the sale. So this is it, and let me check his tags as well, and tags are okay. And one more tip I'm going to give you here, also put your shop name here in the tags as well, and don't repeat the same words just like you have used skateboard all around. Try to use different words related to skateboard, as it's going to drag more and more traffic. And let me show his favorite 14 favorite. I think he has made his first sale maybe. And so dude, upload more and more designs. I already told 100 designs is the ultimate markup you have to reach, ultimate target you have to reach to get the sale. Just keep this in your mind. I just have to upload 100 designs if I want to get more and more sales. His shop is good, and also you use sticker packs as your front image. So the next shop is Revamp Store, and he's having 203 designs, and the banner is very good, and the profile picture is also a good one. These are stickers, okay, alright. And he's also made collections as well, and he is using sticker as his front image. And I'm not able to see here some sticker packs. I do make some sticker packs as well, and let me show you the 170 favorite, and he's also making sales. And let me see his one of the design, this one. Let me take his one design, and he has enabled it on, oh yeah, okay, alright guys, it's the 92 products or maybe more than that. Sorry for that, I haven't logged on in. Basically I enabled all the products. And if we go to the sticker tag section, here we can see all the tags are good one. He's using good tags. He do just try to use 15 tags, 50 to 20 tags, not more than that. And also use your shop name here in the tags as well, as the more and more people will find your shop, and he will definitely going to buy from you. And the fourth shop is Khurram Shahzad, alright, and he's having 84 designs. He's from Pakistan, and he is also having collections, and he's having a cute signs, Halloween nurse, nice one, it's also nice. And I think, yes, dude, try to upload 100 designs or more than 100 designs. Just set your target to upload 100 designs or 200 designs. Then after that you will having a more and more designs, and this will enable your chances of getting more and more sale. So nice one. He just used the basic text and the bold text as well, and I'm really impressed from his fonts as well, and also liking 86 are favorited. This means I think he got 1 or 2 more, maybe more than that sales. So let me check his one of his product, Grace Winds. Okay, he enabled just 47 products. Hey dude, enable all the products, because you never know which design is going to sell. So don't just think like this, in that this will not going to buy and sell, or someone is not going to buy it. You just have to enable all the products, okay? And let me see his tag section. He's using great tags. Yes, I think it's between 50 to 20, and again he's not using his shop name in the tags. Dude, use your shop names in your tags, and this is it. And my advice to him is to upload more and more designs. Use like this, if this is your shop name, and use this tag in your tag list as well, and then people will going to see your shop, and he will buy more and more from you. So I think for today this is it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and if you are still watching till this end, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and in the comment section type I can do it. And if you want more shop reviews, give your opinion in the comment section. And so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Cheers.